Hi children, this is the English activity for Thursday the 18th of June. Okay, for today's work I'd like to see some of your work from the maths work on negative numbers, and in English, which I'll explain now, some writing from the Sinbad illustrations that you will pick. Okay, starting off with the spelling. Last day for learning your spellings, your 10 words, the suffix OUS with no definite root word. We've got crossword activity and placing the 10 words in alphabetical order. Okay, so we'll scroll down. Here we are, the crossword. We've got the clues for words going across the crossword and down. And then for some added challenge, can you use two of the words which are antonyms for each other in the same sentence with an expanded noun phrase? Okay, and they are the alphabetical list. So we're going to respond to a story. We're going to listen to the final part of the 5th voyage of Sinbad. We go to the story read by Wilf. We're going to start at 11 minutes 15 seconds and take it all the way to the end, and it will tell us the last bit of Sinbad and his 5th voyage. So when you're doing that, you're going to use Sinbad and the coconuts to retell the story in 4 scenes. So pick the 4 most important scenes to show them with words and pictures. And then we're going to read, so that's the 4 scenes. And then we're going to read this story and see how different it is from the story that you just listened to. Is there any similarities or differences? Then we're going to put them together on a comparison table, so the similarities and the differences, and one each has been put there for you. So the similarities, there's a giant bird in each story, and Wilf doesn't say that the bird is called a rock. Okay, and any more similarities and differences, you fill in the 2 columns. Okay, and then we're going to choose one of the illustrations from that part of the story. Got this one, this one, this one. And then what you're going to do, when you've chosen one of those illustrations, you write that part of the story on the sheet in your best writing. Include prepositions and conjunctions in your writing, and we'll see below. So there's 2 pages for you to write on, and then we're going to go through the conjunctions. So make sure in your writing you have these in place. So these join clauses, conjunctions, and you've got a list of those words. So the example was, Sinbad was walking along when he saw an enormous tree. And then the prepositions, they add description. So using the word with and in, there's 2 in that sentence. An enormous tree with fantastic fruit in its top branches. And there are a list of different prepositions. And just to help you, we got some videos from BBC Bite Size on conjunctions and also on prepositions. So follow those links to help you out. I look forward to reading some of your parts of stories. Take care.